impromptu talk that you will be doing, where you're going to speak continuously for 1 minute. Whatever. No, you can't use gibberish. Right. So, the second round where you have to talk nonsense after the first sentence. The first sentence has to be sense and has to be related to the previous sentence. Alright? So, can we start? Monga and Ponga were two friends who were walking around the ground and which was called as Ponga. Okay? So Ponga got confused with Ponga the ground and Ponga the person. Continue. And Bonga were two friends who were walking across the road and they reached a ground which is called as Ponga. So Ponga and Bonga were confusing to Monga. So Monga wanted to talk about the ground and
that what is the name of this ground and what is their name and who is who. And then Ponga told Bonga to go to this house and talk to Honga who lives in Jonga. And when he went to Jonga, he jumped so high that he destroyed a building. Then the building started talking that you need to multiply your answer with Minecraft and Call of Duty. And then Honga went with this answer to God. God said that go and stop eating the shark in your garbage bin and stop washing your basin in the toilet. So Bonga went to his house and told as the God told him to do. He called his wife and said that he is finally getting married. His wife was frowning heavily and said that she was so happy that she is going to divorce him there right now, and then she will marry people 10 times. And then Honga was so happy
So dear friends, I'm sure this video has added value to your lives. And yes, we are committed towards your improvement. Hence our tagline is I win when you win. So do share this video to all your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues, so that their lives also can become better and better. So like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We are here for you because I win when you win. Stay blessed.